Who's that in the mirror? What does your soap smell like? Honeysuckle?
Honeysuckle. And yeah.
What, baby?
Honeysuckle.
What a good job you're doing. Gotta get all the germies off.
Yeah.
Don't forget to wash your other hand. There you go. Okay, now rinse that one off.
No. I like it in the other. I like it apple too.
Kind of rinse your elbow. Okay, where's the towel on which you dry your hands off on?
No. I like it.
Alright, one more minute and then you gotta get down. Cheese. Hurry up and wash so you can get down. Okay. Okay, rinse now.
No.
Yes.
I want to go down.
Okay, let's rinse. All the way up to those elbows.
What's everything?
Where's your towel? Okay, grab it. Pull it all the way down. There you go. You got it all. Get all the soap off. I think you've, yeah, do your other arm. You forgot the other arm. There you go.
Oh.
Uh-oh. See, there's still soap on your arm. Look, right there. Here, rinse that. You gotta wipe it off. If you didn't rinse it off, you at least have to wipe it off. Did you get it off?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready to get down?
Let's get down.